Here goes nothing. Here we go. Alright, I'm back in the shop over here today. What I'm going to do is tape this thing off. I got the body lines where I want to get it lined up at. I want it right on the outside of this because I don't want to paint that. So I'm going to get it about like that wide for the body line. So just check it out. Alright, it's coming along. As you can see, I'm doing the hardest part first. That's getting the front grill part covered up. So it's gonna take me a while to get it right, to get it lined up and everything. And I'm just starting out. So stay tuned, watch the progress when I come up with it. turned my Craftsman heater on in the shop while I was doing the Durango. I got my temperature gauge. That thing got 82 degrees in here. It's probably about 37 degrees outside. I'm telling you, that thing worked. Alright. I got my tape and my plastic and everything laid down. Hopefully I got it pretty straight. I got everything laid down in the middle. All on the side. I'm gonna see how that look. I got it all taped off. Got everything all up top too. I was thinking about not doing this grill, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. I'm gonna see how it look when I get through. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it anyway. I got everything taped off. All right, I got everything ready. I got my plastic dip over here too. Got it ready to go. Shake it up. Let me get it ready. I'm getting ready to start spraying. So hopefully it turn out good. Well, it look good by me masking it and everything. If it turn out like, I guess good like I masked the thing, I think it'll be pretty good. So stay tuned and see how it turn out. I think it's gonna be pretty good. So I got my stripes and everything laid down. Here goes nothing. Here we go. I got finished with the front end. I think I'm gonna do the top. That's gonna be a whole nother level, man. The top and the back probably tomorrow. So I'm probably through for the day. I got a little cleanup to do. I'm gonna let this dry. Let me give you a sneak peek of what it looked like. Hey, I think it looked pretty good. Got the lines and everything straight. I'll be able to open the garage tomorrow to get a full view. I picked the only day to start when it started raining out here in Memphis today, so I mean, I think I got a good start. Like I said, I'll show you the full thing tomorrow when I get finished. Maybe it ain't raining outside. I appreciate you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe when you watch this video. This Derek out with another video for the moment. Peace out.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Wait, we didn't say